how to stake your VVS. So log into your Defi wallet. At the bottom, click on DApps, click on VVS Finance. Okay, and we're gonna check first check our wallet in here and make sure that we have a VVS balance. If no, then we can swap. So I want to swap, so click on the trade and we will swap. So we have available CRO, so I want to use at least, okay, so we have 2000 and I want to use 2095. Okay, and we'll swap it with VVS. Where is that? VVS. Okay, next click on swap and confirm. Okay, now click on confirm. Okay, on confirm, close, and we're gonna wait for the, okay, transaction receipt. Okay, now click on earn and mine. So here in the glitter mines you have auto VVS and manual VVS. So if this is your first time, you need to enable, click on enable. But if this is your like second time or already staking, you can just click on the plus sign and click on maximum and then confirm. Okay, so we are going to pay around 1.90 and click on confirm. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this and we will receive a confirmation that it already staked. Okay. Okay, stake, your funds have been staked in the pool. Okay. So as you can see in here, so it increased to 65,000 or 65 million VVS and stake is compounding. Alright, so that's it.